Hi, I'm Siddhartha Sareen and we at Youth for Work will be conducting a session on the tips and tricks to crack KUAT Mass Communication. You need to finish 5 sections of KUAT exam within 120 minutes, which means you need speed with accuracy in attempt to attempt 50 questions in total. The more you practice, the better chances you have of acing this exam. Make quantitative and reasoning your strong subjects. Practice questions to solve them within the time to increase your efficiency. You should lay emphasis not on mugging up the formulas, but instead try understanding the concepts so that you can modify the formulas according to the question and its requirement. Take online mock tests so that your confidence can increase and you can manage time according to it. I would recommend our Youth for Work's Prep Guru application as it is really easy to use. So if you value the content of our video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.